Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to hide your additional name on the LinkedIn app when using it on your PC with the latest update. If you've added an additional name in the past, such as a nickname, maiden name, or any other variation, but now prefer to keep it private, this quick process will help you make the change easily. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is where you'll find all of your personal account settings. After clicking on the Me icon, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will open up the main area where you can adjust different parts of your LinkedIn profile and account preferences. Next, within the Settings and Privacy section, go to the tab titled Account Preferences. From here, scroll until you see the Profile Information section. This is where all of your basic profile and personal details are stored. Now click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to manage what details are visible to others regarding your identity and background. Under the Name section, you'll find the option for Additional Name. This is the feature that lets you add an extra name, but it also allows you to control who can see it. Click on Choose Visibility to open the visibility options. You'll now be presented with different visibility settings. Select Only You, which means only you will be able to view that additional name moving forward. Once you've chosen this option, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully hidden your additional name on LinkedIn using the new update on the app for PC. From now on, only you will see it, keeping your profile clean and focused on the name you want to share professionally. If this step-by-step guide helped you, make sure to take a moment and update your LinkedIn profile settings today so you're in full control of your personal information.